Hey, what's up, family? Welcome back to the channel where we break down money. Today, we've got a wild one. This is the story of how a girl who once called herself the youngest flexer of the century just pulled off one of the most jaw-dropping moves in influencer history, making over $1 million on OnlyFans in just 3 hours, right after turning 18. This is the rise, the fall, and the insane comeback of Lil Tay. Let's rewind to 2018. Social media was exploding with young personalities, some singing, some dancing, others playing video games. But then came Lil Tay, a 9-year-old girl in oversized Gucci belts, standing in front of Lamborghinis and stacks of cash. She wasn't singing, she wasn't acting. She was flexing. She'd scream at the camera, bragging about her money, her cars, her clout. Every video was more over the top than the last. This car cost more than your mama's rent. I just bought a $200,000 Bentley. I don't even know how to drive. It was crazy, it was controversial, and the internet loved it. But behind the gold chains and Instagram clout, there was chaos. As Lil Tay's fame exploded, people started asking, who's really behind this account? Turns out it was a family operation. Her brother, Jason Tian, was heavily involved in directing her videos. He reportedly coached her on what to say, how to act, and how to get views. Her mom, a real estate agent in Vancouver, was accused of using her clients' luxury properties for Lil Tay's videos. Then came the legal battles. Tay's parents were in a brutal custody war. Her dad, a lawyer, wanted full custody and said her image was being exploited. Her mom and brother pushed back. The result, total silence. Lil Tay disappeared from the internet. Her Instagram was wiped clean, no new videos, no interviews. For years, the world had no idea where she went or if she was ever coming back. Then, out of nowhere, in August 2023, this bombshell dropped. It is with a heavy heart that we share the sudden and tragic passing of our beloved Claire and her brother. The post was made on her verified Instagram account. It said she and her brother had passed away. The internet went into a frenzy. Fans mourned. News outlets reported it. But just a day later, it was revealed to be a hoax. Lil Tay and her brother were alive. Her team said her account had been hacked, and the death announcement, fake. That moment reminded the world who Lil Tay was and that she was still here. Shortly after, she returned with a new music video called Sucker for Green. She was older, calmer, but still about her money. And this time, she had a story to tell. Fast forward to July 29th, 2025. Lil Tay turns 18 years old. She goes live on TikTok. There's music playing, candles lit. The countdown hits midnight. And at 12:01 in the morning, she makes an announcement that shakes the internet. I just filmed my first content for OnlyFans, 1 minute after turning 18. The moment she legally became an adult, Lil Tay pivoted from childhood flexer to adult content creator. And not just any creator. She said she was about to break records. 3 hours later, she posted the receipts. A screenshot went viral. It showed her OnlyFans earnings in real time. $511,000 from subscriptions. $486,000 from private messages. $26,000 from tips. The grand total, $1,024,298. All in just 3 hours. She wrote, "Not bad for 3 hours, we broke that OnlyFans record." She wasn't lying. The numbers were on par with, if not higher than, Bad Baby, who famously made $1 million in 6 hours after launching her page at 18. Lil Tay did it in half the time. And here's the kicker. She reportedly turned down agency deals worth $30 to $40 million to stay independent. She didn't want anyone taking a cut of her earnings. Every dollar made straight to her. Now let's be real, not everyone was cheering. Many people were shocked and disturbed by how fast she jumped into adult content. The phrase freshly 18 started trending. Critics said it was creepy how some followers were waiting for the clock to strike midnight. Others accused her of being exploited. But Tay clapped back. "Everything I did was legal, I made sure of that. I'm grown now, this is my money." She claimed all her content was filmed after midnight. No underage material, no gray areas, just business. Her brother, who had helped manage her in the past, was seen on the TikTok live and appeared frustrated. Later, Tay claimed he tried to kick her out of the house. The internet wasn't sure what to believe. But one thing was clear, Lil Tay wasn't just trending, she was winning. Let's break this down. How did Lil Tay pull off a $1 million debut? 1. She waited for the perfect moment. She didn't launch at 17, she didn't wait until 25, she hit the switch exactly at 18, capitalizing on her name, her past fame, and the first-day legal phenomenon that's exploded on platforms like OnlyFans. 2. She built anticipation. Even though she was quiet for years, Lil Tay had become mythical. The death hoax brought eyes back on her. The birthday hype created massive curiosity, and people wanted to see what's Lil Tay going to do next. 3. She controlled her content. Most celebrities work with agencies, managers, or studios. Lil Tay went do it yourself. She posted, she promoted, she pocketed every dollar. 4. She embraced the controversy. Instead of hiding from backlash, she leaned into it. She responded on Twitter. She addressed rumors. She stayed viral for days, not hours. It wasn't just a comeback, it was a masterclass in internet marketing. Lil Tay's story raises serious questions about the future of content creators. Will more young influencers follow the freshly 18 trend for fast cash? Is this financial independence or a new form of pressure? Are platforms like OnlyFans prepared for the ethical gray areas that come with youth, fame, and adult content? Love her or hate her, Lil Tay is now a case study in viral marketing, platform power, and online monetization. She went from being told she was exploited to being fully in control of a million-dollar empire in just one night. Since her record-breaking debut, Tay has stayed active. She's teased a new music career, she's dropped cryptic posts, and she's made it clear she's not going anywhere. She's been open about her past struggles, from family trauma to medical issues, including undergoing surgery to remove a heart tumor. But she's also showing the world that she's not a child anymore. She's grown, she's rich, and she's building her brand her way. And that is why people can't stop watching. So here we are. Lil Tay, once a 9-year-old screaming about Lambos on Instagram, is now an 18-year-old millionaire breaking records on OnlyFans. Whether you see her as a business genius, a social media experiment, or a controversial figure, one thing's for sure. She made the internet look. And in 2025, attention is money. Lil Tay knew that. She played the game and she won. Let us know in the comments. Is Lil Tay a marketing mastermind? Or is this a dangerous trend for young influencers? Drop your thoughts, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more. This is AI Personal Finance. Thanks for watching. Peace.